Ready to level up your signal processing game? Let's get started with Python. Meet the Signals and Systems Handbook with Python by Jamie Flux. This book is your ultimate guide to mastering signal processing and system analysis. It's packed with both theory and hands-on Python examples, perfect for students and professionals alike. First up, grasp those foundational concepts of linear systems and behaviors, continuous and discrete signals. No problem. Next, dive deep into signal analysis with Fourier series and transforms. And yes, the discrete Fourier transform too. System analysis. We've got Laplace and Z transforms plus convolution for continuous and discrete systems. Explore the world of digital signal processing. From sampling theories to modulation techniques. Learn to check system stability with impulse response and Bode plots. And don't miss the state space representation for LTI systems with Kalman filtering, advanced DSP algorithms. Covered, filtering techniques, Fourier and Hilbert transforms all in Python. Plus, deep dives into modulation, control systems, and even graph signal processing. With Jamie Flux's handbook, you'll master signal processing and beyond. Subscribe and comment for more.